Hello all. In this session, I'm going to explain about the construction technology under Module 1. So, in the Module 1, the Chapter 1, that is Introduction to Civil Engineering. Second chapter is Introduction to Mechanics. So, under Introduction to Civil Engineering, so construction technology is one of the different fields in civil engineering. Okay, so the different fields in civil engineering are surveying, construction technology, building materials, geotechnical engineering, and also water resource and engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, and hydraulics engineering. So these are the different subdivisions, I mean sub-disciplines in the civil engineering. Okay, so in this presentation I'm going to explain about what is construction technology. Okay, so what is first of all, what is construction? The construction is one of the main branch of our civil engineering, and that is concerned directly with the common people. Like as everyone wants to have a beautiful, the buildings aesthetic view should be good. So like buildings are built from long ago in the history, right? But the difference is the technology is different now. So the technology as early buildings were simple and just for the purpose of the shelter. Now the time changes, as the time changes, revolutionary changes have appeared in the construction. Also, and also due to the technology that can be defined as the practical use of your knowledge, right? And also construction technology is like refers to the collection of innovation tools or a machinery modifications which we are using for a construction, and also the softwares what we are using for a designing purpose, etc. Okay, and also during the construction, the phases of the project that enables advancement in the field construction methods, and also including like semi-automated or automated construction equipment. I think in the construction sites we have seen, what to say, different technologies or different machineries we are using for construction purpose, maybe for a plastering purpose, or maybe for roof, or maybe for a mixing up the concrete. So we are having different technologies and different machines, maybe a semi-automated or automatic construction equipments. And also in the beginning, like buildings were made of stones, mud, or lime, etc. But nowadays everything is totally changed, that we construct the buildings were made up of like from the stones, and the mud earlier, but now it is all it is transferred to the stone, timber, concrete, metals, or glasses, etc. All modernized equipments we are all using, right? So this is different methods or different technologies whatever we are using in the construction technology. And also time consuming, like adopting different machineries, like automated or semi-automated, but that should reduce the time, should reduce the laborers. So that is one of the main concern of this technologies, that too especially construction technologies. Okay, so and also it involves many methods of construction, like to successfully achieve the structural design with good specifications. And also it includes the study of construction equipment and temporary access to the construction process, everything. Types of construction technologies is construction industry, like it is includes a wide range of constructions suitable for all the classes. Maybe like I think we might have seen in the news or newspapers, in the social media, like government is given, they came up with a different policies, like they want to construct home for the below poverty line classes, right? So I think you can see that type of, which is the construction materials will be cost less compared to the luxury classes of the society. So that is all of the construction industry, includes a wide range of construction suitable for all the classes. And also commercial constructions, domestic constructions, industrial constructions, and very much heavy or civil constructions are a few examples that are now displaying masterpieces for the construction technology. And each of these requires different technological treatments actually. And nowadays, like construction technologies are available, which are chosen according to the duration of the project. As I said, according to the machineries, we will decide what is the time we are going to consume, how much laborer we need it. So it is according to the duration of the project and the budget of the project, and also the nature of the structure what we are selecting. And also prefabricated construction system also now is there, like we will be precasting there itself in the site. Okay, so these are the few different types, and also they are mostly low cost projects are also short time we will call. But in commercial construction, the basic concern is to infrastructure that is responsible for strength and the life of the project. So everything is depend on the life and the strength of the project, and also classes how we are selecting. That is also one of the important the thing. And also here I came up with a few pictures, like this is a Dubai's Palm Island construction. Here, like how they've started constructing the structure, I can say structure on the water, okay, on the sea. So okay, so here in this picture you can see the foundation is happening, because foundation is very much important. So in this figure you can see foundation is happening due to rocks, different types of stones, different sizes of stones they're using for the layers of the foundation. You can see this, you can see all the informations through what to say in YouTube. You just give Dubai's permanent construction, they have very detailed construction, what to say, the procedures, everything is there. So just I came up with a few pictures. So here you can see different technologies, like on the land we all know the procedure, like how to build any structure, but on the water, that is challenging part. And also here you can see after the foundation, like I just came up directly after the foundation. Here you can see the structure. Every structure means it includes roads, bridges, buildings, house, everything it will include, we will call it as a structure. So everything it is stable on the land what where they have constructed artificially. So that's why it is called artificially man-made, what to say, the island. So here you can see, right? So here how they have came up with this shape, you know, what are the technologies they have used. Like in deep I'm not explaining here, because we are not going to study about Dubai's Palm Island construction procedure. Just we wanted to know like how the technologies they're taking part in constructions. And you can see how they came up with this shape. Like on the water we can't judge what is the shape of the anything, right? So definitely they have used a separate satellite to build this island. So satellite is going to capture the pictures and they're going to send for the receivers. So then they started constructing with the defined shape which they want or which they've decided. Okay, so these are the few examples of Dubai's permanent. And also after the foundation I can say this just dumping the sand above that to make an artificial land. Because if the artificial, once the artificial land is over, then next they can go with constructing a structure above that. Here also you can see many things, like however we are living on the land with all the facilities, with all the amenities, the same thing is there. In the right side you can see a bridges above that, flyovers, roads, institutions, houses, everything we can see park. So what are the technologies they have used to construct the land on the water? So these are the what to say recent years, because of the technology, like uh, the construction industry has grown more, and these are the examples, few examples of the construction technology. Here as I said, like how they are receiving the shapes. So in this figure you can see here the satellite is going to capture the picture and going to send the picture to receiver. And here you can see, because of the according to that picture they're going to pour the sand. according to the defined shape, whatever they have decided. So this is a way like how they have what to say use the technology. And here like innovations means like use of latest machinery has made civil engineering easy. And also most of the building parts, like for example pillars, roof, are available in prepared forms, so that already not in site, in other factory site, just they're preparing everything like roof, pillars, concrete blocks, and just readily available, and directly they're going to fix in the construction site, so that it is going to increase the speed of the construction. Okay, so use of pre-stressed concrete, beams, tendons are the buildings along with the speedy construction. We can build easily, and the speedy construction we can reduce the time, and also we can reduce the laborers as well, and we can speed up the construction in the short time. Thank you.